Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify, right? So inside your Shopify, you have to go and click on your online store, and here you have to go and click on preferences, right? And inside your preferences, you will see an option of Google Analytics. So just go and click on set up Google. And once you click on here, you have to just wait for a few seconds, right? It will redirect to your page, right? So this page will install the app which is called Google and YouTube here. Now go and click on install. Right now again, just wait for a few seconds, and now it will ask you to connect your Google account. So to connect it, first of all click on connect, then something will like this will appear here. Click on allow. Now here again it will just load for a few seconds, and select your email address. And once you select your email address, click on continue. Right, scroll to the bottom, go and click allow. Now our Google account has been added. Now if you want to set up your email and Google, you can just do it, but I don't want to do it for now. Now this is how you can just connect your Google account. Click on create new property. You will be redirected to this page, and here it will show you how you can do this, right? Each and everything, right? Now you have to come to your Google Analytics. Make sure this is your same email address. Now go and click on start measuring, and here you have to create an account. So just write here your name. I will just write here test, and make sure you just click on all three of this. Now go and click on next. Now it will ask your property name. So I will just write here my property name. Make sure you just write it yours. Select your reporting time and everything, your currency and each and everything. Now click on next. Right, again you have to select the industry and each and everything here. Now again click on next. Make sure you fill up all this information authentic, right? And here I will select one reason, and here for example, let me just select the correct one here, right? And here you have to accept. Click on I accept. It will load for a few seconds. Now choose a platform here, so it's a web, right? And here everything is done. Just write here website URL. So this is, let me check your my website URL, right? So once you copy your website URL here, click on this paste, and stream name, you can just write your stream name here, right? So if you find your website URL is not exactly correct, then just write here your, make sure it is correct, and same thing, right here the website name, and click on create and continue. Right, and here it will again do one thing. Just wait for a few seconds. Now click on next. Right, so automatically it will be added here. Now you will get this number. Right, now set up a Google tag. So this is a Google tag. So basically you have to click on test installation, right? And once you do it, and now just come back to your online store. Now go to the preferences section here once again. Now once you here, go and click on setup Google, and you will be into your Google and YouTube account. And as you can see here, you will see an option, right? And automatically our Google Analytics, you have to just click and here connect, and it will get added, right? So this is how you can do it. And if you just go and click on your this link here you will be, and just go and click request access, and you will be inside your Google Analytics tool too. So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.